Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata. If you guys have a Hyundai Sonata and you want to know what are the symptoms of bad wheel bearing, stay with us and we'll explain that today guys. We'll explain how dangerous it is to drive with wheel bearing, how it can affect the drivability and stability of your vehicle as well. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So this right here guys, it's a 2013 Hyundai Sonata. We have the front right wheel bearing assembly, also known as wheel hub assembly, removed. This is where the wheel will mount. You have the brake rotor on top, then you have the wheel will be right here on the inside. You can see the bearing. Okay, that's our bearing guys. Okay, right here, that's the bearing. Two parts, inner and outer part. Now, what are the symptoms of failing wheel bearing on a Hyundai Sonata? Well, pretty simple guys. Number one, most likely when they first start going out bad, you will hear a humming sound that will increase with speed. The faster you go, the louder it will get. So that humming sound guys actually can grow into even louder noises, like a squealing, growling noises, because eventually that bearing will wear out, it will develop more play, and as a result the noise will get louder and louder. But usually noise coming from the wheel bearing will increase with speed. The faster you go, the louder it will get. So how you can guys find out if it's a bearing? Remove the wheel on your car, and just grab the hub and try to spin it. If it feels kind of like choppy, cutting, that's bad bearing. When you turn it, if you hear abnormal noises, that's a bad bearing. If you grab the wheel and you try to move it like at 6 and 12 o'clock or 3 and 9 o'clock and you have play, it could be a bearing, but it could be bad ball joints as well. Now, another symptom guys of a bad bearing, it could be vibrations in the steering wheel, because if that bearing develops a play, what will happen? You will develop vibration in the steering wheel. Also, your car may feel a little bit uncontrollable when you drive in a straight line. You may kind of like try to fight it to keep it to go in straight line, because the wheel will have play. It will try to follow road imperfections, and it will be really hard for you to drive guys. So that will make your vehicle unstable. That can affect your tire alignment as well. So we recommend not to do that. Always guys, when you suspect you have a bad bearing, you need to replace it as soon as you can. Now, how do you find out which one is bad, left or right? We have a special video that explains that and how to test it. There are 2 different tests that you can conduct. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.